Hey, Coach Biggs here, your corner man for strength and vitality. Are you over 40 and you want to get in shape and have functional strength that takes you on to your 60s, 70s, and 80s if God permits it? Well, I got the answer for you. And you don't have time? That's what they tell me. Coach, I don't have time to get in shape. That's okay. I got the solution. It's a kettlebell, a single kettlebell. We could do a routine inside of 10 minutes that will achieve more than you could achieve inside a whole hour at a gym. You don't believe me? Look, here's the workout. Here's the training that I just did for the workout that I'm going to share with you. I'm all redline except for that first set. The reason being is because it's working your entire body at once. Even though I'm squatting, my entire body has to hold that kettlebell up. So everything is engaged. So you get an entire workout inside of 6 minutes. So why don't you give it a try, watch the video, let me know how it goes in the comments. And by the way, if you want 5 free days of training, whether if it's online or at Remedy Kettlebell Club in Peoria, Arizona, just hit me in the DMs, time for a change, and I will get you set up. No strings attached. I just want to share the love. All right, this is Coach Big. Stay strong and stay independent.